Hey there, this is Joan of Art, and I'm here at La Castellana, Negros Occidental, in one of the smaller municipalities. I'm not sure if this is already a city, but we are here at Villa Indo, named after the grandfather of the owners of the place. So let's get inside and see what's in store there. The landmark would be in front of St. Vincent's High School, and just right in front you will find Villa Indo. So that's a signboard, and if you notice the gate, which is Art Deco inspired. Welcome, welcome. Oh, so that's part of the design. For texture.
The roller already has a texture. This one, look at siya. Mano-mano.
Yeah. And it's Art Deco inspired. Na-feature ni sa movie?
Oo.
Sa ano nga movie?
Sa Okat-Tokat sa muna.
Okat-Tokat movie?
It's really heavy. It's not a movie, it's a TV show.
Ah, yeah, it's a TV show. So, may mga nag-shoot di sa una nga mga TV shows. So, this is the 1925 house. Amo niya tubang. This is the front portion of the house. 1925. It looks so modern. It looks so classic. Doesn't look like it's built in 1925. But maybe inside, no?
Even the floors.
Let's have a look at what's inside this old house. Now let's get inside this century-old house.
Ayaw, spila mo ni siya bago pa ni siya, pero the
That's
same ng lababo, di-change na ni siya, pero it's the same.
It's the same location. So this is the kitchen
Oo,
still.
and this is still the original panis nila.
1925 wood. And even the way it's built, naka-modern lang gyapon, no? It's so classic.
Ano, git siya. Ini siya.
Wow, and even that one.
Pantry na nila sa una.
Whoa. Ah, so that's the pantry where the Christmas tree is now.
Pero,
And wow.
really old. Hindi siya aliyan ang counters and all.
Wala yan ano sa termites, no?
Okay, hardwood.
Hardwood. So this is what you call the hardwood house? Is this a hardwood house?
This is it.
Something else pagid?
1 inch.
So thick. Oh, wow. Original? This is made of hardwood?
By the dining set.
Oh my. Molave.
How about the dining set?
Ay, hindi sa pagulod na ako niya.
Wow.
Kaya bago naman to sa big house nga.
Ito may ano gito? The window.
Oh, the window.
Di ba ang welding sa to na?
Oh, yeah. I've seen this in houses.
For a 1925 house, this is already modern, no? Kaya unlike the old ancestral houses before, nga do ka ano
Iasta
gidya?
ni ilan ni original ni.
Ha? Original pa ni siya. Those. So that's very modern for a house. Oh my goodness. Ang daw ga kaguba na siya because
Pero
of
we already know a specialist na para ma-research siya.
Oo, para restoration.
And pinaka na-impress kami ba na is this, so
Right.
put the light on.
It's so modern.
Hila pa ng eyes sa
1925 pa lang ang lighting. May electricity na sa una. Wow, grabe.
they were like one of the richest
Yeah, the Revillas live here. Bro, who are your visitors most often? Who are your guests?
ang mga, what you call this, people from La Castellana who don't live here anymore.
Ah, okay. Coming from abroad.
From abroad.
So, can you say that this is your the best nga hotel here? Accommodation?
It was.
It used to
Pero
be.
we have another one. Ang sa Daginat, wala na mo.
Ah, but you still own the Ginot place. So you specialize in the parang hotel accommodation?
Something like a hobby.
Yeah, they cook, they make something na look po, tanan-tanan.
Wow. This is a family room.
Built-in cabinets as big
Wow.
as something that can take me in. And more of me.
This is an area, no?
Look at this.
Din-change abi ang tiles. Sa una, urig-urig siya nga tiles. Balang amo na kadamol.
Ah, damol? that thick na tiles, ha?
Change na.
Even the televisions.
So they changed, was like about 5 years back, yung pag-change ni. Pero orig na siya sa muna, mga ano ya. Pero mugid din siya ang design niya.
Yeah.
And then they had a bathtub na di sa muna.
May bathtub. Where is it? Wala na.
Sa tuto sa umangin butang to.
They've uninstalled.
Sa ang door niya may bulutangan siya.
This is a walk-in closet.
No, this one.
That one.
Which one?
This one, it was a walk-in closet turning into a
Bathroom.
Yeah.
Ah.
Just sila.
Okay, so that to make use of this room.
Pero bigger
There's
one.
another one. I joined
That's another closet.
Yeah,
The
it's a
wardrobe.
closer picture.
Wow. That's an original one.
Oo. Grabe na sila ya.
Wow.
Mga mag-life sa mag-aral.
Yeah. This one.
Sa room to na.
Okay, so adjoining.
Adjoining rooms.
This is an example
Ah.
of adjoining rooms.
Trying to think during that time, how could they have thought of joining rooms, di ba?
It's olden times.
Because in
Oh,
big
yeah.
families, yes, they have secret
Some of
passages.
the house husbands and wives, they are just sharing an adjoining room. Not necessarily sharing one room.
So the Airbnb, people can book here.
They usually do sa online lang galing.
What platform? Airbnb, Booking?
Oo, lalo sila.
Sa mga booking.com?
Booking.com.
Okay.
Mapakuya, bigay para
So how much, for example, ang room?
I don't have an idea anymore.
Sige, i-research na na. Construction works are underway to accommodate for function rooms because most of their customers are government employees, so they hold functions, seminars, large crowds for their activities. So right now, there's a function going on right there at the restaurant.